Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Project Manager and selecting the exact project or timeline you want to share. Exporting Save Structure. Choose Export Project for just the DRP file or Export Project Archive to include media. Once selected, pick a destination and enable Archive options so media is copied. Make sure Live Save is off to avoid in-progress conflicts. This prevents missing clips later and keeps file paths consistent when the recipient imports the project. Next, configure the archive options carefully because they determine what the recipient receives. If you collect media, Resolve copies all used files into the archive. Use trim to bounds to shrink large source clips. Also include LUTs, timelines, and cache if they affect playback. Once done, run the archive. It may take time depending on drive speed. Make sure you verify the resulting folder structure so the project recreates exactly when another user imports it. Finally, transfer the archive using an external drive, cloud link, or network share and tell the recipient how you packaged it. When they import via Project Manager import, they should open the timeline and scrub to confirm clips and audio play correctly. If clips appear offline, relink to the consolidated media folder or rerun export archive with full media selected. One troubleshooting tip: if media is missing, check for absolute drive letter paths. Reconsolidating to a single folder usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.